Hello YouTube, hi, this is Fahad from Future Phones, and today we have one Xbox Series S HDMI port for repair. We will use our trusted technique to check if that stands out for this HDMI port, and we can do it quickly and efficiently. I will just show you what it looks like. This is the board for Series S, and as always HDMI ports have started to come when broken, and so they have changed it a lot, but still it is breaking. And let me go to this microscope camera. Okay, that's how it looks like. So before I change the HDMI port, I want to remove this pad here. So there was one underneath here which I have already removed. It was here, so I have removed this as well. Now let me show you what it looks like when it's broken. So this is how it looks like, and it's quite heavy actually, this board. Let me just power my hot station. So this is the replacement part, and we will use this to fix it. Okay, A039F it says on it. Okay, let me check this camera. That's how it looks like broken. The hot air station is still heating up. So I only want that much part. Okay, so we will use the flux. Sorry, just change to microscope. This is how it looks like right now. Don't know if you can see that. Yep, it's coming in now. Power on my soldering station as well. Okay, so this is the leaded flux. What is it now? Solder that we are using. Mechanics. So let's see. Let's fill this up with the leaded solder. All these pins. So we should get some leaded solder. Okay, let's see. I can hardly reach these points. I'm still trying to give it a go. If it gets a little bit of the leaded solder, then it will just do the job. Okay, yeah, I think it's got some. Okay. Let's go on the back. Okay, here we can add a lot of it. Right. So some flux on. It's not taking it. I think I will need to use the soldering iron. That's it. Okay, so yeah, it's getting in now. That should be enough. Okay, let's turn it around again. Okay, I'll bring my soldering hot air station underneath the board and just increase the temperature to the max. So it is 490 right now. Focus is not that good. Yeah, better. So we'll give some time. You can see the nozzle. So I'll put this technique to test and check if I can do it successfully. So far this technique has worked for many of the Xboxes and PS4s that we have repaired HDMI ports. There's never been an issue. This is the very first time we are working on the Series S, sorry. So this HDMI port looks quite good actually. Looks very strong. If he still is breaking, so it means they can be broken. It's taking his time. Yep, it's coming off. Oops, shouldn't have done that. I just pulled it by mistake. So yeah, it's looking good. So it came off. Okay, quickly I will check with the soldering iron if the pads are damaged. They look good. Okay, so the replacement part is here. I'll just use the same momentum to change it. Oh god, it's not coming out. Just 1 minute. Yep. So it's off the packaging now. We'll add some more flux. Give it I'll wait for the solder to melt, and yeah, it's melting. Better, I think so. Oh yes, sliding in. Yes, sit in. Okay, I'll just push it a little bit from here. Ideally I should not push it. I think this area is a little bit cold. Okay. I'll give some time for this part. I think the hole in the corner, bottom left corner, it did not melt. That's why it was struggling to push it in. Yeah, sitting in now, and it's done. Okay, so the legs should also solder to these pads. Oh yeah, this one is not. This one is not. This one is not. This one is not. Okay. This one is not. This one is not. Okay, so some of the legs are still not soldered properly, so I'll just use some flux first. Okay, let's check these legs again. Okay. Yep, this is done. Okay, let's check from the back how it looks like. Okay, I will rework on these as well while we can. So it looks like it's done. No, bring it. Okay, I think there should be some left in there. Can you still use it? So just give it a clean. Okay. So yeah, this is done. Just check the HDMI port now. Looks good. The connectors are okay. Okay, we'll give it a close and we'll see what happened. Is it working? I'm quite sure this is done. I'm quite sure this is fixed. We'll give it a test and we'll see how it went. Once this is closed, we'll make a video to show you the display. Okay. Right, okay. So I'll pause the video here, and once we have put it together and it's working, we will make a video there. Thank you. And now, okay, let's test it if the HDMI is fixed. So it's a white bright light. Okay. Come on. Display, no display. Yeah, we have the display. Fantastic. So as you've seen, it is working now, and the HDMI gave the display, and it's working fine. There is no issues with it whatsoever. It's just like another HDMI port, nothing big difference, same thing. And so if you follow the same technique that we have been talking about, if you follow the same technique, you can fix the HDMI port on any of these devices quickly, efficiently, and very strong HDMI ports. They won't break from the obviously the legs, but a damage can be caused to the plastic bit, the black plastic bit. However, it won't come loose. So thank you very much. Thank you for watching, and like and subscribe to the channel if you like this video. Hopefully you must have learned something from this video. Do leave some comments if you have any queries, if you want to ask any questions, and that will help us motivate us as well. That will motivate us to make more videos. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching.